I salute the old glory. Right to the sun. Oh, my son does.
Oh, who's your son?
Pardon me?
Who's your son?
Kyle Sybotham. He's out of 49 in La Mirada.
Yeah, I don't know. I worked at 28s for 9 years. I retired 5 years ago.
So I ride with him every so often before I got in trouble with the battalion chief. And battalion chief is this tall.
Yeah.
And I was there at Thanksgiving, sitting in the squad table, sitting in the chairs, and I hear the door open. I swing around, and it's battalion headquarters. I didn't know that. I turn around. Here's a guy. I'm looking eye to eye, and I'm sitting down. Yeah. So I stand up. I'm looking down. I say, "Where's the rest of you?" Dead silence in the whole club. That was battalion chief. And so he got pissed at me. He has the Napoleon syndrome. I do wish I did go to LA County when I got out of the service, because I would have got those years in the service into the retirement. And you can't beat that retirement. Yeah, my son went in. I think he'll be captain here in a year. And I said, man, you stick to this and you're set for life. How long were you in?
36 years.
What did you do?
I retired as a fire captain.
A fire captain?
The last 16 years.
So they had a deal last year where, I mean, a lot of fire captains quit, and they were bringing the engineers up to captain, and my son was up for it, and he's going to go again, so it's interesting. It's interesting. He's a good kid. He's a good,
What's his name again?
Kyle Sybotham.
Okay.
So he grew up in an environment where I had businesses, I ran companies, and he was right there with me while I was running a company. So his leadership skills are just off the hook.
Oh, good.
And very, very grounded and sharp. I go in, ride with him with these rookies, and I just go, how are these guys going to make it? I just don't understand. What's your name?
Rick.
Rick?
Rick Fullerton, just like the city.
I used to live in Fullerton. Nice meeting you, Rick. I'm Randy. I have this is my card. I have a YouTube channel. Like I say, I ride with my son, and I put these videos on YouTube, and I also do car shows.
Oh.
And I have a car, so.
Nice.
Okay, nice meeting you. No, my car is. If you ever go to my YouTube channel, you'll see why it's not here, because it's extremely loud. I don't want to upset my neighbors. Okay, here we are at the at this event. Should be quality cars, because they charge big money for this one. I'll do a walkthrough, and then I need more cars. I know that. Come on, turn off. Okay. Nice little event. Safari. Bonnie. I like that color. Yeah. How far I get before I meet somebody I know. A lot of content. Oh, that's cool. 40. I try to get here before the music hit, but I'll go down the streets and everything. This is the front row right here. And that's kind of nice they have this all set up. Okay, I'm going to start down here. Going single. There's just too much content. There's no way I'm going to hit all these cars. I'm going to go for the best. I'll tell you what, there's a lot of nice ones here. I need to reload for cards because it's going to be a...
What the hell did you do to it? I go...
You just go all around so I get it run out of cards. Good.
Randy, by any chance?
You got him.
Oh, I figured 6 foot Randy. Hey, thank you for all the awesome videos, man.
Dude, every show I go to, this is my winner right here. I'm telling you, I shoot a lot of trucks, a lot of cars.
Yes, sir.
And you got an eye for detail that just...
Well, I got it from my dad. My dad was a perfectionist. And
Oh, thanks.
He kind of passed it on. He didn't get to see this before he passed away.
Oh,
but,
man, that's too bad.
My dad was an Austin guy.
Really? A Healy or Austin America? What?
The original, so Donald Healy and his brother made the little sports cars, and they took them to an auto show, and they were going to sell them as race cars to the public. And Austin Motors said, well, you don't have the production means to make these cars, and said, why don't you come with us? So then it became Austin Healy, which is a little two-door sports car. We grew up, you know, like that. Plus you got 4 boys. We didn't have an engine stand or an engine jack. He had 4 boys, so we were doing everything by hand. You know, got to the point where I hated working on cars, but you know.
But you know, it's so funny because my dad was a cop, and he thought he was a mechanic.
Yeah.
He thought. He was not a mechanic.
Yeah.
My uncles were. He wasn't. And his whole life, I played along with him. It says, you know, my car, I don't know if you've been on my channel, but you see my 57.
Yeah.
And he just shakes his head. He goes, well, why did you do that to your car? Or what? And he always said that to me.
Because it's my car.
Because it's my car. But he gave me a 57 when I turned 15. But he lasted till last year, and he would go to a lot of my shows. He's in a few of my videos.
Yeah.
But he was not detail-oriented person at all. Not at all. And I used to get so upset with him, I got to the point where I just gave up.